You know what I hate the most though? When I'm watching a YouTube video and they have the nerve to say affordable wigs, and I click on the link and it's $300. That's not affordable. It's a bill. Hello. So this is, I look a mess. And I don't know why I have this shirt on. So hi, my name is Ariel, there's my channel. So I'm going to do a wig review. I don't really do wig reviews because usually all the wigs I get are like cheap ones. But why not? Some people want cheap wigs. So I got me a wig cap. I got a couple things. This is my first headband wig actually. And I even got this because I'm scared of like it not being tight enough to my head and it's slipping off like a headband gripper. You know, that's a little... Realistically, I don't need that. So let's bust out the wig, which I did not bring over here. So let's get into this. Ignore the dusty phone. But I bought it from AliExpress. It's on sale for the moment for $19.74. So it's below 20 bucks. Now the thing is why I get my wigs from AliExpress, because if I go to a beauty supply store, most of them are the same thing but twice as much. Kind of cutting out the middleman. Anyway, so it's the headband. So they're actually really tight, but not too tight. And the back headband part, which is slimmer. And this is like the wig and the cap and like the combs and stuff. And just, you know, 18 inches. And this is color 1B. It has 923 bead borders and it is 4.8 stars. I was confident because I saw the reviews and it didn't look like fake reviews. You could tell, especially if you're natural, if you follow a lot of natural hair people. I'm like, that's not a wig. And the comment seems so generic. This wig is amazing. I will buy it again. Oh my god. My god. My grandkids love it. Like, who talks like that in the review? Come on, you ain't fooling nobody but yourself. Oh yeah, this is 1B, 18 inches. Kinky curly, I guess you could say it, but it's not really. It's like just curly / wavy. At first, I didn't like the ends because ends are very straight. But then I was like, when you put it on, I actually like kind of like it. And they come with a free headband. And I actually like this because it's wide. Be careful when you buy other headbands because separate, because some of them are maybe too small compared to, look at this, and I bought some from Amazon and they were too small compared to this. So I'm just gonna like this and then flip it. So like we're James. Okay, I don't slick down my edges, so this is like a thing of like, I don't have that much hair showing, just enough. It's like, oh, you're not bullheaded, or it doesn't look too much like a weird cutoff, like just a little bit, little something. But I just pushed the little bit of hair I have under to make sure it doesn't stick up. I recently bought another one and I can't wait for that one because that looks like my hair texture. But make sure you fit this down. Oh, make sure you fit this. And yeah, it looks old lady-ish, a little bit. But I just have a big forehead. That's one thing I'm insecure about. Forehead. So I just put the headband on. This is how I did it. And just make sure it's big and wide. And just cover the front black part. And I like to scrunch this up a little bit because no headband is that like that. And yeah, this is like for work. This is not going out with the girls and sticking down my edges. No. A red one with bangs. But yeah, this is it. I actually like it. This is for work. I bought this purposely for work because I don't like hair in my face because I sweat. I'm a sweater. And synthetic or human, it drips. And that's nasty. Especially if I work in a restaurant. She's biracial. She's biracial, girl. That's my deal. Okay. Synthetics, easy to wash, cheap shampoo, fabric softener, brush out, and it goes back to the exact same shape. So I like it for what it is. And if I want to put in a ponytail, this is how it looks. Let me make sure I get the back all nice before I do these. It look crazy. Kind of gives me like cafeteria lady vibes a little bit, but make sure you use the combs in the back because it can lift up if you're trying to put it in a ponytail. But yeah, I like it because if I do need to put my hair out of my face, I can, and it doesn't look crazy. You know when you have a weave and it's on 360 and it's like the nape and the kitchen? I don't mind my kitchen, but some people don't. I see a lot of girls on the reviews, they do like a half pony type of thing. Okay, it looks like a mess, but you get the gist of it. It looks a mess. Like a half ponytail. I know, you get it. I feel like if you're a wig beginner, don't get fooled by like, oh, I got the lace fronts and the baby. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's okay. If you want something easy, simple, out of the way. I've been wearing wigs since I was 21. Still have yet done no. Then get the little razor blade. I've tried, but it's not me. And also sad to say, I would wear straight backs to work, but then I wouldn't want to do them all the time. Cause then when they look crazy, I'm gonna have to do it. Cause they're gonna pull your side of work. I'm like, I don't know, did you just roll out of bed? No, I haven't done my hair in a while. So this is just convenient. But when I go outside and they neat, I don't. It's light. I barely feel it touching my neck because it's like evenly long all over. So when you put it like this, it's like, it's really like, and it's light. Light. I look crazy. But I really like it. Like, I want to be like a wig girl, but it's just not me. I'm too lazy. Cause when my hair gets to, when my hair gets to a certain length, I'm not doing that define, twist out, no. Chunky. 10 minutes. Combing out. Chunky. My hair don't take that long to dry. Simple girl. I forgot who. Chaz is awesome. That's who my inspo is. She's very boom, boom, boom. Get out of the way. Boom, boom. That's how I am. Would I buy this again? Yeah. 20 bucks. Less than 20 bucks, actually. I like it. This is one hood booger review. But it's okay. Just like a work wig. I'm gonna work. I want to do my hair. It's winter. It's like a hat. Nice and warm. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I wish the back was a little more bigger, or the headband went fully around the wig, not just only half of it. But it's just so simple, and it's less than 20 bucks. Like, how could, let me pull this out. Like, how can you go wrong with this? I'm gonna give you like a full. Can't have a girl once in my life. Oh yeah, this is how it looks. Bye. Looks at the front. It doesn't shed. I haven't had shedding. Take a little bit. Like, oh, one strand. That's it. But like, you know how when you get a new wig and it's like, oh no. Basic. Like me. So that's my review. It's gonna be a short, small review. But I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like it, and then come again, like, subscribe, and like. It's the most easiest thing. Boom, boom, click, click. That's it. You don't even have to like comment, but like and subscribe is the most easiest part of the video. But like and subscribe. Yeah. To see you coming in.